Hey, fellow wordsmiths and literary enthusiasts. Get ready to immerse yourself in the captivating world of ebook writing. In today's video, we're exploring how your way with words can lead to a fulfilling and profitable journey. Have you ever found yourself lost in reverie, imagining your stories and hard-earned knowledge not just confined within your mind, but spread across the pages of a book or illuminated on screens across the globe? If so, get ready to set sail on a remarkable journey where your boundless creativity and unwavering expertise are the cornerstones of a new adventure, one that transcends the realms of imagination and transforms into the reality of ebooks. These digital wonders become vessels, carrying your insights and narratives to readers who hunger for knowledge and stories that resonate. It's not just about inspiration, it's about crafting a pathway that leads not only to enlightenment but also to a steady stream of income. So, as you take your first steps into the world of ebook writing, remember that your words have the incredible ability to both inspire minds and sustain livelihoods, making your journey an amalgamation of artistry and entrepreneurship that's bound to captivate readers around the world. So, what exactly is ebook writing? In a nutshell, it's the art of crafting digital books that cater to various interests, from fiction and self-help to specialized topics like cooking, fitness, or business. To embark on this exhilarating journey, you don't need anything elaborate, just the spark of your imagination and a vessel to capture your thoughts. This could be as simple as a trusty laptop, a versatile tablet, or even the charm of an old-fashioned notebook and pen. The magic lies in your ideas, your unique perspective, and your ability to transform thoughts into words. These humble tools become the gateway to a world where your imagination takes flight and your stories come to life. Whether you're typing away on a modern device or letting your thoughts flow onto paper, it's your creativity that fuels the process and guides you on the path to crafting compelling ebooks that readers will eagerly embrace. So, as you prepare to dive into the world of ebook writing, remember that the most powerful instrument you possess is your imagination, and the means to capture it are as diverse as the stories waiting to be told. Research is key. Whether you're diving into fiction or delving into non-fiction, accurate information and engaging narratives make your ebook a treasure trove for readers. The old saying, "Don't judge a book by its cover." It holds true in many aspects of life, but let me tell you, in the realm of ebooks, covers absolutely matter. Picture this. Your ebook is a gem hidden in a vast digital treasure trove, and its cover is the gleaming jewel that catches the eye of a potential reader. A professionally designed cover isn't just a visual treat, it's your book's ambassador, the first impression that determines whether a reader takes that crucial next step to explore what's inside. In the digital landscape, where options abound, a striking cover is your beacon, your invitation, your chance to stand out in a sea of virtual choices. So, while content is king, the cover is its royal attire, and together, they create a potent combination that allures readers and beckons them to embark on the literary journey you've crafted. Remember, when it comes to ebook covers, beauty truly is more than skin deep. It's the gateway to your words and your world, awaiting discovery by eager readers around the globe. Here's the exciting part: self-publishing. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing and other ebook marketplaces allow you to publish and sell your work online. The best part is that you have control over the entire process, from writing to formatting and cover design. Niche markets are your secret weapon. Writing ebooks about specific topics that have a dedicated audience can help you stand out and connect with readers who are genuinely interested. And remember, writing isn't the endgame. Promotion is equally crucial. Utilize social media, blogs, and other online platforms to market your ebook and engage with your readers. So, there you have it, a glimpse into the dynamic world of ebook writing. Whether you're spinning captivating tales or sharing your expertise, your words have the power to resonate with readers and generate a steady income. If you found this guide as inspiring as I did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more valuable content. Until next time, keep writing those stories, sharing your knowledge, and embracing the exciting journey of ebook writing. See you soon.